Rutland Middle School. It has great students, great teachers, and a great history. However, the history of the building is too long. At over 70 years old, Rutland Middle School isn't just showing its age. It is not accessible for people with disabilities. It does not provide the learning spaces to suit modern learning. It doesn't even have enough space for its students, with 11 portables for over 40% of the student population. Rutland Middle School is also far more expensive to operate and maintain than other schools in our district. The good news is that there is a solution. With the right funding, we could build a new 900-student middle school on the Quigley Elementary property. It is a cost-effective option. It would free up space for the needed expansion of Rutland Senior Secondary. It would give students the learning space, support space, and playfield space that they need. Our Board of Education's top priority for replacing schools is Rutland Middle School. The board has been advocating for this project for over 15 years. We need your help to raise our voices together as a community and ask for the learning spaces we need. Visit sd23.bc.ca or contact your local school trustee to learn how you can help advocate for new schools. And together, we will build a new Rutland Middle School.